Everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sandeep Jain with 12 year experience in WordPress. Have you ever seen this message on your WooCommerce store? There was an error processing your order. Please check for any charges in your payment method and review your order history before placing the order again. There was an error processing your order and had no idea how to fix it. In today's video, I am going to break down to exact reason why this error happened and show you step by step solution so you can fix it permanently. But before we start, have you subscribed my channel? Um, if not, click the link below and join our community. Quick question for you: has this error cost you sales or frustrating your customer? Tell me in the comment. I read every comment. So first thing first at what time this error coming? So like when I'm purchasing something, like at here. Okay, now I am at here and I am purchasing this product. Proceed to checkout. Place order. Now this error is coming. So if you check, first step is go to network section and check error. So at here you can see critical error is coming on your site. So first go to config file and enable debug as true. Also add your code to debug.log. So for add debug.log, you must wp debug log true and wp display as false. Now at here I am also by this method one file will generate debug log inside wp content and you can see error. So it may be any plugin error, any something which can be cause for this issue. So now I am removing this and again place order. Now it is coming enter critical error, and now I am going at here and it is saying fatal error, uncaught type error, ftp ns lint. So basically this error is for ftp or something file system error, and if you check then you can get ftp error etc. at here, ftp based file system compatibility issue. Okay, so basically I know this error why this is coming. So this is for file system error, and for file fixed file system fs method must be true or direct inside config file, and actually I am on local, so it is coming directly, but on server it is not there. So it is depend on debug.log which error is coming, so you have to fix that error. In my case I have this file system error. Now I am going again and now I am again place order. Now it is coming 200. means our order successful, and now it is done. Thank you, your order has been received. So via this method you can fix this error. And yeah, and thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit subscribe and share it with someone who need it. And remember, fixing a small issue like this can boost your WooCommerce sales more than you think. Thanks for watching.